Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheryl. If you're new, welcome to the C Squad. And if you're a chain subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again. Today we're back with another vlog. In case you couldn't tell by my 2000 necklace and my birthday girl headband, today is my 24th birthday and I'm so excited to vlog yet another birthday for you guys. On Saturday, we're going out for lunch, and then on Sunday, we are going for my first ever wine tasting and tour. So I'm super excited to take you guys to the vineyard. But for today, my actual birthday, I wanted to do a little what I got for my birthday, starting with this massive package from Casetify. If you guys are regulars, you know how obsessed I am with Casetify cases. All my cases for my devices are from Casetify. I've been wanting a new laptop case for a while now, so what better occasion than my birthday? Oh my god, you guys, this case is so cute. Sorry about the glare from the ring light, but it says, I just want to drink coffee, create stuff, and sleep. And I feel like this describes me to a T, and I love the black. I think it looks so sleek, and also it obviously protects my laptop, so I absolutely love it. Okay guys, so next up I have two microphones. Whoa. I have two microphones from JOBY. JOBY was kind enough to send me some microphones for my birthday, which is so insane to me because one of the first tripods I ever bought for my YouTube channel was a JOBY Gorilla Pod. So the fact that we're here and I actually have some microphones from them is so insane to me, so thank you to them. Let's start with the Wavo pod. So no, the podcast is not returning, but you guys might have noticed in some of my recent vlogs that I've been trying to incorporate more voiceovers into my videos, just to give you a little bit of context as to what is happening in the clips, or maybe to just share my thoughts about certain things or any tips or advice I have. So I'm really excited to try this mic out because you guys know I love increasing the quality of my videos. So here it is. First impressions, it comes with two USB cables, which I really like. One is just your standard USB and the other is a USB-C. So I love that I can just use this USB-C cable and just immediately plug it into my laptop and we're good to go. I also love the fact that it comes with a pop filter already attached, which is definitely gonna help with the sound quality. And it seems like you can remove it pretty easily just using the twist at the back. It also has a pretty sturdy base. I also love the fact that you can move the mic around like this and you can customize it to your preferences. There's also a jack for you to put your headphones in so that you can listen to the audio as it's going, so that's also really cool. So all in all, I like the mic setup. I haven't tested it out just yet, but throughout this video, whenever you hear me do a voiceover, that's gonna be coming from this mic. So you guys can let me know what your thoughts are, what you think of it. Editing Cheryl here, just popping in to say that I really do like the Wavo pod. It's easy to use. I just have to plug it into my computer, select the mic in my editing software, and record my voiceovers. I also think the sound quality is pretty crisp and clear. For reference, this is what the audio sounds like on the microphone I've been using for my voiceovers in my previous videos. And this is what the audio sounds like from the Wavo pod. I can tell the difference, but let me know if you can as well. And then here we have the Wavo Air. You guys, I have been dying to get a lav mic for probably 2 years. I've really been procrastinating on it. If you don't know, a lav mic or a lavalier microphone is a hands-free microphone that you can use from a distance. I've been wanting one specifically for my clothing hauls because I have to stand pretty far away from my camera when I do them so that you guys can see the whole outfit. So this will be nice because then the sound quality will be clearer and it won't sound like I'm at a distance from you guys. Another thing that's really cool about this one is that it's compatible with cameras and smartphones. So first impressions, this is definitely a kit. It has a lot of different moving parts and pieces. You have the two transmitters, you have one receiver, you have a bunch of clips, and then underneath you also have two wind muffs, which is supposed to help with the wind outside. And then you have a bunch of cables over here. Comes with two lav mics. Okay, I just checked out a few tutorials and there's so many different ways that you can pair things together and ways for you to use this kit. I feel like if I was filming a clothing haul, this is the way I would set it up. So I would have a transmitter and the clip attachment over here, and then I would connect the lav mic to the transmitter like this, and obviously I've put it underneath my clothing. Attach this to my pants. Okay, so I have turned off my microphone that I usually use when I'm filming my videos. This is what the audio sounds like from my Sony ZV-E10 without my microphone on. Okay, this is what the audio sounds like when I have my usual microphone that I use that is attached to my camera. Okay, so here is the sound from the Wavo Air. Let me know if you can tell a difference with the audio. This is what it sounds like when I'm standing super far back. Okay, I've decided to take my experiment outside. So welcome to my backyard. So this is what the audio sounds like outside with my built-in microphone from my Sony ZV-E10. And then this is what the audio sounds like with the lav mic from the Moyo Air, so let me know if you guys can tell the difference. I'll have to check in post editing to see if I can tell. And then if anyone is curious, this is what the audio sounds like from the mic that I usually use for my videos. So let me know what you guys think, which one is your favorite. So I definitely think I'll need to test out both microphones more. But thank you again to Joby for sending me some microphones. Otherwise, for the rest of my actual birthday, I think it's gonna be pretty chill. I'm gonna go out later to get some gelato, but that's like literally it. So I'll catch you guys on Saturday for a nice family lunch. Hey guys, it is Saturday and I'm getting ready for my birthday lunch. I'm actually gonna film an Instagram reel so you guys can check out my Instagram for the full get ready with me. Super excited, but as usual, I'm running late. So I'll catch up with you guys when I'm all ready to go. Okay, so we've got the lav mic on. Here is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this cute little purple top from Shein that I got last week. This is the first time I'm wearing it, and I think it's super cute. You guys know purple is my favorite color. Then I've got these jeans. These are from a store in Singapore called Lalu, and they're really cute. Then I've just got my Adidas shoes. You guys know the 2000s necklace. This is the outfit of the day. I'm super excited. And then here's my setup for my filming today. I'm super excited about this because you guys know I've been trying to get into short form content and posting more on my Instagram. So I saw this really cool setup from a YouTuber called Nyemba Tembo. Basically what I have is this clip from Newer that allows me to attach my tripod to it. And then I've added in this little accessory that then allows me to connect my phone. It's supposed to be easier for me to film at the same exact time because I'll have this running and I'll have my phone running and I can just get steady shots for both formats. So I hope that works well. We're gonna test it out today because tomorrow is big stakes. Tomorrow's the wine tasting. So we're gonna test the setup out today and see how well it works. But I'll have everything linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. Aside from that, unfortunately, my Canon G7X Mark II does not take in an audio input. So I can't use the lav mic today. So the audio that you're gonna be hearing is gonna be coming from here. But anyway, let's head out. For my birthday lunch, we went to the Hummingbird restaurant at Brighton City Airport. We've never been there before, but one of my dad's colleagues recommended the restaurant to him. Brighton City Airport is the oldest operating airfield in the UK. You can actually book a tour of the airport and even go to the museum, but we just decided to stick to the restaurant that day. The Hummingbird restaurant has a nice ambiance and a really homey vibe to it. You can sit outside on the viewing deck, but since it was quite cold outside that day, we opted to sit inside. From inside, you can still see the outdoor views and the planes taking off and landing. They have a menu filled with so many breakfast and lunch options. My mom and brother had chicken goujons, my dad had fish and chips, and I had a beef burger. If you've watched a few of my vlogs, I'm sure you've gathered that burgers are one of my favorite foods. I also had a mimosa, which was so good, but very strong, so you've been warned if you want to try one. I enjoyed my visit there and would definitely go back one day, maybe for breakfast if I have enough energy to wake up early in the morning. Hey guys, it is the next day. I decided to spare you guys with the getting ready montage. I've just done that for Instagram, but this is my final makeup look today for the wine tasting. So as promised in my Hilera haul, I am wearing my Hilera dress. I'm obsessed with this dress. You guys already know. It's got this cute strapless moment at the back and a nice little slit on the side. I'm wearing some white sandals that I think I got from I Saw It First a couple of years ago and just some gold jewelry. So I'm gonna change to my vlog camera and let's head out for this wine tasting. Hey guys, we have arrived at the vineyard. This is my bestie Inez.
Hello.
Welcome to the vlog. We've never
Hello.
had you on.
Nice to meet you all.
Yes guys. Do you want them to follow you on Instagram or are you good?
You can, it's private. She'll put it somewhere.
I'll add it. Okay. For our wine tasting and vineyard tour experience, we went to Manning's Heath Estate in Sussex. It's actually owned by a South African woman and they have another wine estate located in the Western Cape. When we arrived, we went downstairs to their restaurant that overlooks the golf course. It was nice and sunny out, so the views were stunning. We had some lunch, we went with pizza and fries, which was so delicious. I would love to go back there just for the food and to enjoy the countryside views. After lunch, we went to the wine tasting room to meet up with our vineyard guide. He told us about the history of the owner and the vineyard, and he also showed us how to use the golf carts. Yes, the golf carts. We were actually going to be driving ourselves in golf carts around the vineyard, which I did not know beforehand. You guys, my friend Inez, who hasn't driven in how many years? 5 years? 4 or 5 years, is about to drive. My friend Inez was such a champ and was literally the best driver, so I could focus on vlogging for you guys. She was saying that she's gonna try not to kill me today.
I'm gonna try. I haven't driven in 5 years.
On the bright side, if you're seeing this vlog, it means we made it out alive. We stopped at the first site, which is where they grow the grapes for their Chardonnay. We learned about how they grow and take care of the vines. Everything they do is manual, and they have 2 or 3 full-time workers who prune and harvest the grapes. It's important for the owner that they manufacture their wines sustainably, so that's why they don't use machinery like other vineyards, and the manual process also allows them to be selective and pick the best grapes for their wines. They typically harvest during the first 3 weeks of October. They do take volunteers during harvest season, so if you're free in October and you like the outdoors, it might be a fun time for you. At the second site, we finally got a taste of some of their sparkling wine. Since I was celebrating my birthday, the tour guide gave me a little bit more wine than everyone else. They've actually been growing these vines for their sparkling wines for 3 years and have only been able to harvest the grapes and manufacture the wines now. After we finished drinking our wine at the second site, we drove our golf carts back to the wine tasting room. In the wine tasting room, we got to try 3 of their sparkling wines. First up was a sparkling Chardonnay. As you typically see at wine tastings, our tour guide told us to swirl the glasses. Apparently, it helps separate the aromas in the wine and enriches the smelling and tasting experience. As someone who doesn't typically like wine, I was pleasantly surprised that I enjoyed this one. The second wine was a blend of Pinot Noir, Pinot Meunier, and Chardonnay. This one was delicious and had a nice fruity taste. Next up was the rosé, which tasted really good. Once again, I'm usually not a fan of rosé, but this one was much smoother and less bitter than the other rosés I've had in the past, so I was a fan. Ultimately, my favorite of the 3 wines was the second one. It had such a nice blend of flavors, and I would have loved to take one home, but it was 45 pounds. You guys, I have expensive taste. The other ones we tried were a little bit more affordable. They were between 12 and 20 pounds. Afterwards, we went to the outdoor seating to take in some more views, and Inez also took over the vlog for a minute.
Have you guys seen the golf course here? Like, it's pretty impressive. You can tell like all the golf people who've left their stuff. It's honestly like so cute.
So we are done with the vineyard tour and wine tasting. What are your thoughts?
It was really fun. I really was not expecting driving the
golf cart.
The golf carts. So and honestly, that was my best part. Like, I loved it.
You're an excellent driver.
Oh, thank you. Yes, thank you. I hadn't driven in a while, so I was a bit worried, but it worked out fine.
Yeah.
It's good vibes. It's a beautiful like estate. So.
Yeah. And as someone who doesn't like wine, I actually enjoyed the wines and the tasting, especially the second one.
Yeah. Honestly, great experience. Definitely recommend it.
Definitely.
People are actually lovely. I'm not gonna lie, we were standing out a bit, but
anyway, thank you guys for watching the vlog.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. That was an eventful day, an eventful week actually. I feel all birthdayed out. I think I've celebrated to the max. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Also check out my Instagram for the little Instagram reel I'm gonna make for it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the C Squad and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!